Hello, my name is Brianna Wisman. In my screencast today, we will be watching an apology speech from Michigan State's Governor Rick Snyder. In this speech, he will be apologizing to the people and other government officials for the Flint, Michigan water crisis. It is important to understand Governor Snyder's body language in this video.
Government failed you, federal, state, and local leaders, by breaking the trust you placed in us. I'm sorry most of all that I let you down.
As you can see, there is no expression of happiness on the governor's face. The fact that he is not smiling during his speech shows that he is sad or even disappointed that it has even happened in the first place.
You deserve better. You deserve accountability. You deserve to know that the buck stops here with me. Most of all,
However, he is not confident in what he is saying. He stutters his words and presents himself in a closed-off manner with his hands crossed on the podium. Governor Snyder does look around the room just enough to make eye contact, but looks down when he is talking about himself.
you deserve to know the truth. I have a responsibility to tell the truth. The truth about what we've done and what we'll do to overcome this challenge. For those whose mistakes contributed to this disaster, we are fully cooperating with investigations and will hold those individuals accountable. And let me be perfectly clear to all of state government. In situations like this, they must come to my desk immediately, no delays, no excuses, period.
Towards the end of his speech, Governor Snyder starts to use hand gestures. This may be viewed by some as a distraction. However, it can also show how he is feeling inside. He is angry that this has even happened, and he is using pointing as a way to put blame onto someone else. I hope that this screencast has helped you understand a little bit more about the importance of watching somebody's body language. And as always, thank you for taking the time to watch.